Goodman Error Code F3 indicates a fault with the high-pressure switch in your air conditioning or heat pump system. This switch is a crucial safety device that monitors refrigerant pressure. If the pressure gets too high, typically above 400 to 600 psi in R410A systems, the HPS trips, shutting down the system to prevent damage to the compressor. An F3 error means the HPS is open or malfunctioning. This can happen due to several reasons, including refrigerant overcharge, a dirty condenser coil restricting airflow, or a blockage in the system. The F3 code will usually be displayed on your thermostat or as a flashing LED on the unit. Begin troubleshooting by inspecting the HVAC unit for obvious issues. Check the air filter first. If it's dirty, it restricts airflow and can cause pressure problems. Also, look for any blocked vents that might prevent proper air circulation. If the filters appear clean, move outside to check the condenser coil. This outdoor component can become dirty from dust, leaves, or debris, reducing heat transfer and causing pressure to rise. After cleaning any visible dirt, try resetting the unit. This can be done at the main breaker by turning power off for a few minutes or by resetting through the thermostat controls. A reset often clears temporary faults. If the F3 error persists after these basic steps, it's time to call a qualified HVAC technician. DIY attempts beyond this point can be dangerous and may void warranties. A professional technician will perform thorough diagnostics. They'll verify refrigerant levels are correct, test the voltage at the high-pressure switch to ensure it's functioning properly, and check for issues like refrigerant leaks or compressor problems. Some newer Goodman units feature advanced diagnostic capabilities, including data logging that can help technicians quickly identify the root cause of pressure issues. Remember, ignoring an F3 error is not advisable. The high-pressure switch is a safety device, and continued operation without resolution can lead to expensive compressor failure and other serious system damage.